soap compartment from Fides. Then we pour the dirty water into the filter. The dirty water will flow through the filter and it will just take a few seconds to drip into the dispenser.
Now, I have clean water to wash my hands.
You have clean water to wash your hands by simply open the cap of the dispenser. Fides also came with handmade biodegradable soap. You just need to take 1 or 2 pieces of the soap and rub it with both of your hands under running water. With Fides, you will no longer worry about not having clean water when you are enjoying your outdoor activities.
With Fides, I will have clean water to wash my hands out here.
Fides is portable and easy to carry in your bag. Even you may hold it while you go hiking, camping, or even out for a walk.
Water is essential to life. Clean water can be hard to find if it's stranded in the water or if there is an emergency. Imagine if you find yourself out of clean water in an unfamiliar area or during an emergency. Even if you manage to find the water supply, you must be able to strain out impurities that can make you sick. An idea to design and build a device that can clean dirty water using materials around our home was born, where we read the news that flood hit several parts of Peninsula Malaysia in early January 2021. This natural disaster disrupts and contaminates water supplies, and the ability to obtain clean water during a natural disaster is crucial. We also recall the difficulty to pack soap during our 2019 camping trip at Pantai Kraton. Hence, we include the storage compartment for paper soap in our design too. We named this eco-friendly water filter cum dispenser with paper soap model as Fides. It is a compact, lightweight device that can be easily carried during an emergency or outings.
Fides is constructed by using 3 plastic bottles. It is designed to serve 3 different purposes with 3 major parts, which are filtration part, dispenser part, and storage area. The water filter part serves as a physical barrier, which prevents contaminations, thus purifying the water. The actual Fides prototype was assembled before the actual water filtration test. Through a series of filtration tests, the Fides has shown the ability to filter the impurities of dirty water. The dispenser part of the Fides is leak-proof. This part is designed to dispense and store the clean filtered water. The storage area is used to store the handmade paper soap that is made from corn husk. The corn husk paper is environmentally friendly, biodegradable, and compostable. In summary, Fides is compact, lightweight, and portable.